Welcome all my student of the VTC code 1064. I am Pinaki Das Gupta. Now I am teaching you your marketing class. Marketing occupies an important position in the organization of business undertaking. The growth and survival of each organization depending on its marketing. So generally it may be say that the marketing refers to those essential functions by which the movement of product and service from the producer to the consumer take place. বুঝলে তাহলে কি হলো যে প্রোডাক্ট অথবা সার্ভিস প্রোডিউসারের থেকে কনজিউমারের কাছে যাচ্ছে। মার্কেটিং consists of those efforts which affect transfer of ownership of goods and care for their physical distribution. মার্কেটিংয়ের মাধ্যমে দ্রব্যের ওনারশিপ অর্থাৎ মালিকানা পরিবর্তন হয়ে থাকে। Marketing is the economic process by which goods and services are exchanged and their values determined in the terms of money value. অর্থাৎ দ্রব্যের মূল্য সেখানে কিন্তু নিরূপণ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। এবং আমরা বলতে পারি আরও যে মার্কেটিং involves the design of the products acceptable to the consumer and the conduct of those activities which facilitate the transfer of ownership between the seller and the buyer. Okay. As the marketing process is looked upon as a process of distribution, the primary concern of marketing is human efforts and management. In short, we may be said that on the one hand, satisfying the demand of the consumers and selling the goods and service at a profit, fulfillment of those two aims are the objectives of marketing. The scope of marketing is reflected through these activities. অর্থাৎ তাহলে আমরা দেখতে পাই we see that the main two object its value जैसे डिटरमाइंड होता है वैसा इसके द्रव्य के मूल्य निरूपण के साथ साथ क्रेता को कंज्यूमर को संतुष्टि प्रदान सेटिस्फेक्शन करना एक तो इसका मेन काम है। इसके साथ साथ हम लोग ये देखता है मार्केटिंग इज़ ए इकोनॉमिक प्रोसेस, इट इज़ ए लॉफुल सिस्टम, it is also an idea, it satisfied the demand, it is a dynamic process, it is a coordination process but coordinating process. Here also marketing makes an important matter. Also with this we understand the importance of the marketing. If the business is compared with human body, then we say that marketing is the heart of a business. So we understand the importance of the marketing. The human body will be converted into a lifeless structure if the function of heart stops. So also that workflow of the business will stop with the want of the proper marketing management. So we may say that marketing is the foundation of a business. मतलब business का भित्ति foundation of a business. Marketing is not a foundation of a business but a view of the entire business seen as the economic organ to provide goods and service. That is a marketing view of the business. Everything the business does in that respect is the marketing. It is the main reflection বা object of marketing.